Okay, don't mind me. I was definitely jamming to some Ethiopian music while doing this. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Marianne with Series Styles. Today this video would be about using the Ethiopian hair butter to grow healthy and longer natural hair. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I made a video earlier this month on the hair products that I'm taking with me to 2018, and the Ethiopian hair butter was one of them. The Ethiopian hair butter is one of the products that I haven't used before now. As I mentioned in my 2018 hair goals, I plan on using it every month this year to grow my hair because I want longer and healthier hair. How did I hear about this? I know a friend who is Ethiopian. She always talked about this hair butter, but she never had one readily available, so I could not try it. So as I was approaching 2018, I said, why don't I buy it? So I found it online on this website called Sharupa, which I will link below. I don't remember the exact price, but I would add the link to I'll add the price and the link to the hair butter below. Ingredients of this butter: you have buttermilk, variety of organics, natural oils, vitamin E. So that's all you have in it. It's supposed to be refrigerated. So this hair butter, it conditions, moisturizes, helps promote fast hair growth and prevent hair loss and breakage. It's used as a pre-poo, which is a product you use before shampooing. So with this, I am not going to use my apple cider vinegar in water because I don't want to apply this hair butter to wet hair. And when I was reading about it, all you're supposed to do is just use your fingers to apply it in your hair. You're not supposed to melt the butter. So yeah. Keep in mind, this is my first time using this butter, as I have mentioned several times. I'd heard about it, I bought it, and it's January, and it's the first month of my new hair goals, so yeah. So I would start by sectioning my hair into 4 parts because it helps me get product in my hair easily. the butter, I really drenched my hair in the butter, because when my friend used to talk about this butter, she would say they used to apply so much that by the time you sit for like the number of hours, because you're supposed to leave it in for like 2 to 3 hours if you're not gonna sit under a steaming cap, but if you put it under a steaming cap, you wait for 10 minutes. So she said it used to be in a way that like you are completely drenched in this oil when it completely melts in your hair. This is an 8-ounce jar and I used the more than half of it. So I would say when you order it, just order more than one, because then you have it readily available and you don't have to pay for shipping multiple times. I'd say before you plan on using it, just take it out of the fridge for like an hour, just so it sits out in towels for a little bit, because then it's not like extra cold and chunky when you use it. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and, so during my application process, it was definitely melting as I was going. It is a butter, and I noticed that my hair, if you look, it's like visibly shining and it feels soft. I did not comb it at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wear this bag for 3 hours. They said 2 to 3 hours, you know, so I'm gonna use the maximum amount of hours. Wear it for 3 hours, wash my hair, do my shampooing, then do my conditioning, my leave-in conditioner, and yeah. As you can see, the oil is already visibly melting, so I gotta go like take off this makeup. It's the wrong idea to wear this makeup during this video, but yeah. So if you like this video and you thought it was a good idea, please let me know if you go ahead and use this butter. Also, comment below. I will put the link to where I ordered it and the price below so you can check it out. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more products that I'm using this 2018. Bye!